And then she started barking. She was woo woo woo, but like a scared bark, you know. It was funny, but scary at the same time. Oh shoot! Tornado watch!
The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 39.
Let's go!
The following counties: Erie, Tennessee, Bedford, Kenny, Coffee, Franklin, Grundy, Marshall, Moore, Rutherford, Warren, Williamson, and Wilson. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
Let's go! Wait, who? I don't see it on OHX. Who relayed this? Was that Huntsville?
Remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio,
Huntsville.
commercial radio, and television.
Oh shoot, I think the
Internet sources for the
FM might be relaying this. Hold on.
information.
Being seated in that they believe that some of them lie. The FBI has conducted further searches related to President Biden's handling of classified documents.
Cloudy. The temperature was 70.
I'm gonna wait for the FM station to go. This should be going any minute.
Who should be going? Every MPT doesn't relay watches them.
Yeah. Anyways, I don't see it on the. I don't see it on the.
I didn't see it on IM.
Yeah, I don't. Maybe it's in Huntsville. Huntsville issued this. No, it did not. It did not. They did not issue it. But who issued this? Well, FM obviously is not gonna relay this. Let's go and turn it off.
McMinnville, mostly sunny, 68.
Anyways, that was. Did you hear all my weather videos go off?
Partly sunny, 72.
Did you hear all my weather radios go off?
Shelbyville, cloudy.
Did you hear my 100?
Yeah, my computer's too quiet. Probably not.
I got 3 alerts off of that.
Springfield, cloudy.
Wow. Anyways, let's go to